Okay guys, welcome back with me Chocho 2025. Today we're gonna learn how to swap face in Face Fusion 3 if you have more than one face on the screen. We could also will learn how to swap more than one face at one time. Also we're going to learn a few ways to select face. How to install Face Fusion 3 is added on the video description. Make sure you select Face Swaper and Face Enchancer. Added the target video. Now add the first picture for the first person. Move the preview frame until you see the person in the preview. We're going to use face selection mode reference. Select the face on the screen. It will preview the result. When you think it is okay, go to UI workflow. Select Job Manager instead of Instant Runner. In Job Action, select Job Create. Name the job it to whatever you like. In this case, I named it whatever Wang. Click Apply. Now the job is created. In Job Action, select Job Add Step. In Job Add, select the job that we already created. Click Apply. This will add the current setup into your job as the first step. Now we need to add the second move. Remove the source image and add a new one. From the reference list, select the other face. See the preview until you're satisfied. Go to UI Workflow. In Job Action, select Job Remix Step. Remix Step means that it will use the result of the previous step as baseline. In Job Add, select the job that we already created. Click Apply. If you only change two face, in Job Action, select Job Submit. Go to UI Workflow again and select Job Runner. In Job Action, select Job Run. Select the whatever one job it and the click Apply. Now wait for the result. When the console set is done, your video will be located on the output path. Check it on the folder location. Here are the result. In Face Selector mode, you could use many to change all the face there. But it will use the same face for every person. Just check the sample preview. Now check the face selector and select one. This means that it will change only one face. The logic of selected face is by selected face selected order. You could use left to right, right to left, bottom to top, and so many other. But what you need to remember, if you change it on video, face position could be changed, so a different person can have swap face then. So I suggest to use this, if somehow you can't do reference. For example, if the video itself is generate, and the face result is inconsistent, then your only option is to do this.
Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.